Have you ever wondered how long it takes for somebody to actually monetize their channel? Me too. And so that is why I created this video as tracking to monetize my channel. Today is May the 12th. It's actually Mother's Day, early in the morning. And I am making this YouTube video to document my journey on how I am monetizing my channel. In order to monetize your channel, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and I want to say 4,000 watch hours. I am going to insert a clip here. I am currently sitting at 134 subscribers as of today, and whatever I'm entering here as the watch hours. And so what I'm going to do every single week is document the journey every single Wednesday and let you guys know, show you my analytics, show you what I'm doing as far as posting schedule. My goal is to get monetized on my channel by August 11th or August 12th, I would say, of 2024. So I'm giving myself 12 weeks in order to get monetized here on Regular Life. I help women heal and thrive after divorce, right? So how to bounce back and boss up after divorce. I'm going to hone in every single week on healing and thriving after divorce, how to bounce back and boss up, and really the journey of single motherhood with raising girls on your own and really doing life on your own as it relates to business. And so there'll be some vlogs in there. What am I committing to? I am committing to posting 2 videos each week. 1 video related to the topic, the niche, and then 1 video giving you guys the details on the analytics, sharing my screen to gain my journey, to go throughout my journey. Now, I am going into this with a niche. I am also going into this very open to what the people want, right? And so I'm going to be paying attention to what you guys are saying in the comments, how you guys are engaging, answering your questions. So if it's related to anything personal development, I am a person who, if you haven't watched the video, I tell you guys about how he left, we got divorced, and I bounced back. And there's things that I share in my story. Go check it out. And if you have questions, put it in the video. Okay. So I just really want to come on here and just give you guys a beginning detail, like the beginning part of the journey. I have 134 subscribers. We go into 1,000 is our first goal. And you guys are going to come along with me every single week to do this. Now, why do I want to monetize my channel? Well, as I've stated before, I'm a mom of 3. I have my own coaching business. I also work as a contractor, helping moms reunify with their children after they're in foster care. But it's always nice to have the additional income to be able to, the somewhat passive, right? Because I'm already, this is information that I already know. These are things that I'm already doing. I'm just documenting them and helping people, more people, than I would if I was to just help them one-on-one. And so hopefully you guys will see the value in knowing how to heal, learning how to thrive, knowing who you are, knowing what God says about you and how to become the best version of you. And so knowing that that is my mission in life, is to help other people see themselves as God sees them. That is why I want to monetize my channel, because I want to get paid for it, right? And so these little girls want to travel, and these little girls got things they want to do, and doing things on my own, by myself currently, not with any other financial support from any parent, it's only one guy, my ex-husband, but not getting any support from him. I want to use my gifts and talents to be able to help as many people as I can, and you guys will see that as valuable. YouTube will see that as valuable, and I'll be compensated for that, right? And so the other part of wanting to share my story, and the other part of wanting to monetize my channel is also share my story. I want people to know that they can make it, right? Not only can you make it, but you can thrive. I, by the grace of God, have gotten to a place where we used to live in an abandoned home, and now getting to a place where we don't, right? We have things in a lifestyle that as a full-time entrepreneur, I am really proud of myself. And so I hope to encourage another mom out there who may be doing it by herself, that you can have all the things and you can do everything that God has downloaded on the inside of you. All of your dreams can come to pass. And so part of that is sharing with you here, letting you know that it's possible and giving you the things that I've learned along the way, as well as, being here as a support. If you would like some additional support one-on-one, you can definitely do that. Reach out to me that way too. So enough talking. This is where we start. I will see you guys in the next video next week and give you guys an update as to what's happening on the channel. All right. Y'all know what I'm going to say. Go be great by what? Mastering what's on your plate. We'll talk soon.